Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have two items here that I want to share with you since I'll be going on vacation in the next couple of weeks. It's a passport holder. I got one for myself and I got one for my husband. This one is the LOHASLIFE passport holder, and this is the Harriet passport holder. I got two different ones because the one I wanted was a little bigger and could hold more things inside, and the other one that I got was a little bit more compact. The reason why I got this was because it has an RFID, and RFID is radio frequency identification. It comes in our credit cards and also on our passports. You'll see a logo on your credit cards that shows you that it can send data using a scanner, and it sends that data to a computer. Basically, this has RFID in both of this and can protect your information. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, unbox it, and show you what it's like. This is the Harriet one, which is shows you the passport holder. So I'm going to start with this one since we already see it here. I'll go ahead, and I have a knife here, but it looks like I can remove the plastic sticker. I believe that having a passport holder will be nice because it can protect your passport, and not only that, it can also protect your information if you decide to put your credit cards and your passport together, especially if you're traveling outside of the country. You would probably benefit from protecting your information. So this comes with a information about their items. Oh, and a little packing guide too, which is kind of handy. This for a bit, and that's what it's. You can put your ID in here and your vaccination card in here, and you put a little pen if you have those mini pens, and if you have micro SD, and here to push out the micro SD, and you insert your passport in here, and you just close it up and put that elastic. I'm actually surprised that there is no pen in here. I guess we'll have to find a small pen in here, but otherwise you can put your boarding pass here and your passport and credit cards in here. So that's a nice little cool feature. So set this down here. So I'll move on to the LOHASLIFE passport holder. It's a little bigger, as you can see. So let me see, and this is one I have to use since there's tape on it. And in this passport holder, as you can see, it's a little wider, almost the same height as this other compact one, but it does come with a magnetic clasp. And this one actually comes with a pen. and also a SIM card holder and a tool to pry it out. And you can put your credit cards in here, your boarding pass, and your vaccination card, and you put your passport in here. Nice thing about this is you can also put some cash in there if you have some cash. So that's why I chose this one. So there you have it. These are the two passports that I ordered and I wanted to share because I wanted everyone to be able to, you know, since everyone is traveling this year, more travelers are going and probably going out of the country, and you need a passport holder, and I want to share this with you. Hopefully you can, this video can help you see what it looks like, and as far as sizing is concerned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I helped you. And if you could subscribe to my channel, that'll be awesome. I'll be putting the link in this description below for all of these items. So once again, thanks for watching. Until next time.